The biggest productivity jump comes when AI can use tools, files, repos, tickets, internal systems. But every integration becomes a custom project, and the mess grows fast. Model Context Protocol, or MCP, is an open standard for connecting AI apps to external tools and data. Like USB-C doesn't replace devices, MCP doesn't replace your tools. It standardizes how AI apps connect to them. MCP makes more sense when you break it into 4 parts. The MCP client is your AI app. The MCP server is the connector. Tools are the actions, like search repo or draft ticket, and permissions are the guardrails that decide what's allowed. In practice, it looks like this. The user asks for a task. The AI plans, discovers available tools from MCP servers, calls those tools, drafts the output, and guardrails apply like logging, rate limits, and approval gates for risky actions. MCP isn't instead of a PIS. It's a standardized way to expose tools to AI apps. Compared to custom integrations or vendor-locked plugins, MCP aims to make connectors reusable across assistants. Here's the big misconception. MCP doesn't automatically make agents safe. Once AI can call tools, your risk surface grows, especially with prompt injection, sensitive data leakage, and excessive autonomy. Use a simple, safe MCP checklist. Start read-only, scope access tightly, require human approval for high-impact actions like send, delete, publish, or merge. Treat untrusted content as untrusted log tool calls, set step and budget limits, and have an incident plan. MCP can be huge for interoperability, but only if you pair it with real guardrails. Start small, prove value in read-only mode, then expand carefully.